It's cold. It's a cold day out here, so you know what I thought? Oh, look at this. Look at all this. I thought to myself, let's do a cold start on the diesel. The 5.9 Cummins second generation 6-speed manual. All kinds of performance upgrade parts. Every body panel is dented, but that's okay because I got new body panels. Both fenders, the hood, both bumpers, the bed, of course, the tailgate, both doors, some inside plastic. Let's do a cold start on this. I gotta walk slow because I don't want to fall. Here's the trusty old F-150 with finally get to use these new tires. Look at the tires I put on the F-150. Finally get to use, got to use them today. All right, let me see if I can set this up. Let's cold start this sucker. I'm not gonna cycle the injectors just one time and I'm gonna go for it. Well, I tried to get an outside shot, but my camera kept falling over. So, we're going to make sure she's in neutral. Windshield is ice. Let's see what she does. I got everything I need to put this back together, but I need a body shop to pull out the cab just a little bit. No frame damage. No frame damage at all.